Welcome to the ultimate guide to selecting the right voltage stabilizer. This essential device protects your sensitive electronics from dangerous power fluctuations. Voltage fluctuations can range from 150 volts to over 280 volts. Sudden drops cause overheating, while spikes fry delicate components. The stabilizer acts as a buffer, ensuring a stable output. Stabilizers correct these dangerous voltage levels through two mechanisms: boosting, which pulls more current to lift low input voltage, and bucking, which reduces high input voltage to a safe, nominal level. Capacity determines the load limit. While appliances use watts, stabilizers are rated in volt-ampere, or VA. Electrical inefficiencies mean that the VA rating must be higher than the standard wattage. To handle inrush currents during startup and prevent overheating, always include a safety margin. Industry rule requires a 20 to 25% buffer, meaning a 1,000-watt load needs at least a 1250 VA stabilizer. The quality of your local grid dictates the stabilizer's required working range. Standard urban areas use a narrower range, while rural and industrial areas need ultra-wide or wide ranges to handle extreme voltage drops. Different appliances require specific stabilizer logic. For instance, air conditioners need intelligent time delay for their compressors, while refrigerators need low or high voltage cutoffs. For heavy loads like air conditioners, a 2 to 3 minute time delay is crucial. This pause balances internal refrigerant gas pressures, preventing the compressor motor from restarting too quickly and burning out. Modern units feature advanced safety circuitry, including thermal overload protection, a resettable circuit breaker, and a digital display showing real-time input and output voltages. Quality units like V-Guard, Microtech, and Everest offer distinct advantages. Their pricing tiers vary, with AC stabilizers starting around 1,800 rupees and mainline stabilizers reaching up to 11,000 rupees. It's important to separate myths from reality. Inbuilt stabilizers are insufficient against massive surges. Power consumption is based on the connected load, not maximum capacity. Finally, most home appliances use relay-based units, while precision equipment uses servo-based units. Proper installation extends the device lifespan. Ensure ventilation. Check connections to prevent arcing. Perform dusting to avoid overheating, and verify earthing for proper fault protection. To secure your investment, calculate capacity by applying a 25% safety margin, observe your local grid to choose the correct working range, and select features like time delay or MOVs to match your appliance.